This, ladies, gentlemen, and people of unspecified gender, is a giant Florida caterpillar. Now, I don't know what this thing is, but it's got spiny barbs all over it, giant horns. Flip them over. Look at those legs. Oh Lord, I am not touching this thing because those barbs look nasty. All right, but this is my hand next to it, and I have huge hands. That fucker, sorry for my language, is as long as my index finger. And I have big ass hands. Now I'm not touching this guy. This guy is a friggin' monster. Monza, come over here. Or Kitten, Ash, one of my cats. I'll give you a better reference because my hands are big. Oh God. This guy just fell out of a friggin' tree, man. Look at the horns on this guy. Look at him. Good Lord. These don't, oh, and he's mad too. Oh, he's angry at me. Yeah, I'm poking you with a stick, you weird freak of nature. If I could put you back in a tree, I would. I think they bite. Oh yeah, he's biting. He is biting. Oh man, did you see that? This guy is not happy. Oh, those are his alright, now he's upside down. Those are his underlegs. Oh God! See, this is his underbelly. Oh! Them's are his chompers. Right there. Hello. Boop, boop, boop. Ah! And he is not a happy camper at all. I'm not going to get near him. Probably with my hand again, but look at those horns on his head. Oop!